What was the name of the train that ran from Mumbai to Thane? Answer C. Black Beauty. What is the length of narrow gauge? Answer B. 0.610 meter. Between which two countries does Metro Express run? Answer A. Pakistan and Bangladesh. Which is the oldest railway station in the world? Answer A. Liverpool. Which satellite of ISRO is a part of radar imaging satellite series? Answer A. Reset 2B. Which zone of railway is called blue chip? Answer C. Southeast Railway. How many divisions are there in Indian Railways? Answer B. 67. In which year Railway Employees Insurance Scheme was started? Answer C. 1977. When was the first Tatkal service started? Answer B. 20 December 1997. How many kilometers long is the Bogda Paripanjal, the country's longest railway? Answer A. 11.26 km. Who was the first railway minister who resigned due to a train accident? Answer A. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Where is rail coach factory located? Answer D. Kapurthala. Which is the major source of income in railways? Answer C. Freight. Between which two cities is the largest rail tunnel in India? Answer A. Monkey Hill to Khandala. Where is the National Rail Museum of India Railways located? Answer B. New Delhi. Who is called the father of railways? Answer C. George Stephens. In which city the wheels and axles for railways are produced? Answer A. Bangalore. In which year Railways Protection Force RPF was formed? Answer D. 1882. In which city was the second metro started in India? Answer B. Delhi. Which is the shortest railway zone in the country? Answer C. Northeast Frontier Railway. In which city is the headquarters of the Central Railway Zone located? Answer B. Mumbai City. In which year did the first electric train run in India? Answer C. 3rd February 1925. Between which two cities did the first air-conditioned train run? Answer B. Mumbai to Baroda. Which of the following organization give the Kalinga Award? Answer A. UNESCO. Bharat Ratna decoration was first given to whom? Answer C. C. Raja Gopalacharya. International Commonwealth Day is celebrated every year on? Answer C. 24th May. The Metro Express and Bandhan Express train connect India with which of the following countries? Answer D. Bangladesh. Which US president abolished slavery completely? Answer D. Abraham Lincoln.